guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a chicken dust bath. I'll share with you the steps on how I did it and why it's important. So if your chickens don't smell good, they need to have a bath. Just like us humans, we have baths. They have a dust bath. So it gets rid of parasites, lice, all the things, and they love it. So for this dirt bath, I just used dirt from under the coop that was nice and dry. You could also add some wood ashes if you have some. And the tote that we had laying around with a lid, and when it rains I just pop the lid on top. So chickens like to have a dust bath regularly. It keeps them clean. So having a dust bath available to them is a great way to keep them busy and clean and mite and lice and parasites and all those kinds of things off your chickens. So you could go to the store and buy sand, or you could add wood ashes to it. Wood ashes are really good for the chickens as well, but that's up to you. Our chickens love this one and it has worked out great. So basically you'd want to use a medium-sized sand. If you are going to use sand, I would stay away from play sand and just go with a medium size. So how deep should your dust bath be? A minimum of 8 inches of dirt. So when I first made this dust bath, I put it inside the coop thinking that it would be nice and dry, but they didn't like it. They want to be outside in the sun. So I put it out in the sun and now they love it. Kicking the other ones out. There's 3 in there. Vanilla's just covered. You can't even see her. So it looks really weird, but they're actually super relaxed and they love it. So if I was to make another one, I would put it in maybe a kiddie pool, make it a bit bigger. You can make it as easy or as hard as you'd like. I went to the store to buy a new container and sand and all that kind of stuff, and then I just realized that I have dirt under my coop and an old bucket at home. That's what we used. Hope this video was informative, and I'll see you next time.